I'm grateful to have this opportunity to be with this doctor. He's amazing. I would recommend this guy to anybody, and I'm gonna do just that. I first noticed my hair loss at about 29, 30. Well, it affected me mostly because I'm an actor. You know, I've gone to a couple other doctors. I went to this other doctor out here. I was getting my hair cut in Hollywood, and the hairdresser told me about Dr. Bolton.
What we did here, and I'm just going to kind of turn you just a little bit. Patients are always so concerned about these suture lines because they hear about every horror story. If it's done properly, this is what a suture line should look like. Well, congratulations, I'm real happy for you.
It's a pleasure.
If we can ever do anything for you, please let us know.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir.